How to analyze game payout patterns in Fire Kirin. First of all, open the Fire Kirin app and make sure you are logged into your account so you can access all the available games and features. Next, explore different games like fish shooting, slot machines, and other arcade style options. Each game in Fire Kirin has its own payout rhythm, so pay attention to how often and how much the game rewards you after each spin or round. Now spend some time observing win frequency and coin returns. Games that keep small, frequent wins might be low risk but offer slow progress, while games with fewer but bigger payouts might be high risk, high reward. Try playing each game with a consistent amount of coins and track how often you win over time. This helps you identify hot or cold machines. You can also compare coin balances before and after playing a game session. Over multiple rounds, this can help you estimate a rough payout ratio. This basic analysis can guide you in choosing which Fire Kirin games might suit your strategy, whether you prefer safer coin management or going for big wins. Lastly, remember that results may vary depending on server timing and luck. No strategy guarantees a win, but analyzing payout patterns help you play smarter. Now you know how to analyze game payout patterns in Fire Kirin. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more gaming tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.